Hi everyone, welcome to Chef Mooney coming to you from Mooney's Kitchen. Now today's recipe, I'm going to make a delicious potato salad. We're going to use this lemon mayonnaise that we made. Click on the video above and I'll show you how to make this. Right, come on, let's get into it and I'll show you how to do it. I've got half an onion, red onion. I've got some nice fresh mint and we're going to use this fresh lemon mayonnaise. I'm just going to dice these up and we're going to get them on to steam. Okay, so I've popped all my potatoes into my steaming tray. I'm going to cook these now. I want the potato to have just a little bit of bite to it, so they're not falling apart. Now these take about maybe 15-20 minutes. Place them onto a tray just to cool. Okay, so now you've added all your ingredients, your red onion, that lovely fresh mint. We're going to add our mayonnaise. You can save the rest of your jar for sandwiches or use it as a salad dressing. You might need to thin it down with a little bit of lemon juice for a salad dressing. I'm going to scatter some fresh basil leaves just on the top there. A little bit of cracked black pepper over the top. So there you have it, that's my potato salad with that beautiful mayonnaise that we made in an earlier video. Just going to give it a bit of a taste. Really, absolutely delicious. Thanks again for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, share it on your social media. Until next time, have yourselves a great week. Take care.